What's good, my people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe. And that's it. Just like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's stop waffling. Let's get straight into this one. So I've got a pair of Pumas in that red and white Puma box. Slightly different to the other one. This one's not really matte. It's not got a plastic finish. What matters is the pair. So this is the Graviton. The colorway is Puma Black White Alpine Snow. Style code 38073842. UK 10.5, Euro 45, US 11.5 centimeters 29.5, and they are made in China. Here we go. So I actually really like this colorway. I'll get into that in a second. We'll just run through the colors. So on the bottom, the sole is black. That's quite annoying, that tissue paper. The midsole is plain white. The back has this like forest green type thing, which is a really nice color, one of my favorite colors. I really like that color. Then we've got felt on the heel, felt all on the upper. You can see I've made a bit of a mess there on them already. I have worn them for the on foot video. That will go. Yep, felt all on the upper, around the toe box and around the side. The Puma swoosh, as I call it, is leather, obviously not real. Then we've got mesh underneath, mesh toe box. Then we've got like a plasticky Puma. We've also got felt on the eye stays all around. And then we've got the standard Puma laces. And on the tongue we have the casual, Puma, and then the Puma logo. Inside it is the soft foam optimal comfort. You can literally take that out within 1 second and see the foam. They are comfortable. They are very comfortable. I do like the comfort on these. And the inside again with that felt on the leather and the mesh. Really nice colorway. The reason I like it is because of this. You see these little bits of green. Amazing color. It really does pop. Like, they're so casual, but they really look good. These will definitely be worn with the Puma T7 tracksuit. That's just standard, black and white tracksuit, black and white trainers. Looks good, casual. But yeah, let me know what you think of these. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And take care, my people.